Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone? I hope you good. So I coming now with you. So today I explain and discussion. So agriculture with. So agriculture and everything things. So agriculture today has country and cucumber plant. This and plant because this is not an big tree. So a small tree tell talent. So corn is an insect and farmer and spray medicine and everything. So lost project because uh, this project was not has water and today and every day and 5 day do not has rain and drought soil and your crest. So today weather and maybe raining, so weather is a very beautiful and cloudy white. So I remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you went to and give to them and everything maybe and rain. So it is and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a world and tree and talent and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created all over world. So this has a perfume tree. So perfume sense color yellow and it eats very tasty food. So it has a very nutrition and very nutrition. So you people can eat and termination. So sorry, it is a pronunciation is a mistake. I am very so sorry. So let's you can and buy and everything. So let's finish. So I am very happy. So today next, so I will have help and I am is a English week, but English language is a do not add hard. So everything people can language practice and everything language the world has 3,000 language. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give and 3,000 language. So language and practice and everything. So I am English weak, but English do not hard. So you practice and my best try. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I will coming next video.